Hey guys, I'm begging you for your help. I switched in my project from Ardino-Pro-Micro to Modifier-Keys and now I am encountering some problems. So firstly I will show you the problem and then tell more about the project. I am building this device, which is basically a split keyboard with a mouse module inside. And this is the app which I am using to define the keys. For example, I would press a button and then I can assign any function to it. For example, this button is now ABC and this one would be DIF. And now let's have a look at the problem. So I'm going to delete that. So this functions properly. It presses ABC and then releases it. Then here this one is now Shift plus ABC, also works fine. But the problem is if I'm having here just Shift, so I'm holding Shift, now I'm pressing the standard ABC and release it. But now the Shift is not properly released, because if I press now this one, it's still holding the Shift for some reason, and I don't know why. And the similar problem is with all modifiers like Alt, Super key and Control. And now also if I press it on this device, the other button without the Shift, so now it's properly released, and on this side now it's working again just as fine. You will find the link to the GitHub down in the comments. And now let's have a look deeper into the project. So BPI-leaf-S3 has the esp32s3 chip on it. And I'm also using the standard libraries from the example sketches. If we go to main, here are the standard libraries. And the way it works, so somewhere here in events. So if a button is pushed, it actuates the event. And there's three different ways what can happen. It's a cat function, which is switching the layer, or it is a mouse function like left or right click, or it's a keyboard press. So here it would look at as a passing event and then trigger one by one each key. And then in the release it would release it. So actually it is kind of working fine with the standard keys, but I have no idea why there's a problem with the modifiers. So if you can tell me what's the problem, or at least give me a direction, I would be perfect.